Padlockable Cam Locks, an innovative cam lock secured by a padlock. The Padlockable Cam Lock is a solid metal cam lock with a built-in finger pull that allows a keyed or a combination padlock to secure the door or the drawer. The high-quality cam lock is made out of solid die-cast zinc components and available in 3 finishes: polished brass, polished chrome, and black. The Padlockable Cam is ideal for locker applications where end users bring their own padlocks to secure the locker. It works on both doors and drawers and retrofits to any standard cam lock application. The new feature is the finger pull application. It allows the lock to be used as an optional handle, especially for locker applications. The Padlockable Cam comes with a wood prong washer, a 3/4 inch straight cam, and an 1.5 inch straight cam, along with a screw with a lock nut washer. A variety of other straight and offset cams are available, along with keyed brass padlocks or combination padlocks with a key override. We also offer a 4-color polyurethane dome logo for the cam lock, allowing you to promote your club or organization to your members.